Imagine surviving a fatal airplane crash. This is the tragic fate of Air India Flight 171. On June 12, 2025, a Boeing 787 Dreamliner took off from Ahmedabad, India, en route to London. Shortly after takeoff, the aircraft crashed into a residential building housing medical staff and students. Out of 242 people on board, 241 lost their lives. Dozens more on the ground were killed or injured. And yet, one man miraculously survived. Vishwashkumar Ramesh, a 40-year-old British businessman seated in 11A, somehow made it out alive. He remembers flickering lights, a sensation of the plane being suspended mid-air, then a violent explosion. When he opened his eyes, the plane was in pieces. He was surrounded by fire, debris, and the bodies of passengers and crew. But his section had landed near ground level, giving him just enough space to crawl through the wreckage. Bleeding and dazed, he made a video call to his father moments later, saying, "The plane crashed. I don't know how I survived." What does it mean to be the only one who makes it out? What kind of emotional, mental, and spiritual shift takes place when you realize you were spared, while everyone else was not? In the realm of quantum physics, there's a theory known as quantum immortality. It suggests that consciousness never experiences its own death. In every possible outcome, there's at least one timeline where you survive. Could this explain what happened? We don't know exactly how it happened, but Ramesh's survival is truly a miracle. For him, survival is only the beginning. The emotional landscape that follows is one few can comprehend. To be the only person left alive among hundreds lost is to carry a weight few can name. Psychologists call it survivor's guilt, but some call it a calling. In moments like these, reality blurs, and for those left behind, the pain remains unmeasurable. To the families and loved ones of those who perished, may your souls find peace, and may their memories remain eternal. Have you ever experienced something that defied logic or felt like a miracle? Comment if you've ever survived a tragedy. Save this video as a reminder that life is precious. Share it with someone who believes there's more to life than what we can explain. And follow for more insights at the edge of science, spirit, and the unexplained.